This gift card stroke crypto arbitrage opportunity is going to make you between 10,000 to 20,000 naira or even more. And I'm going to lay down the simple steps which you are going to take in order to make exactly 10,000 to 20,000 or even more using this gift card stroke crypto arbitrage opportunity. So stay tuned, guys. What's up, beautiful people? Now, in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline business and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So do well to join this wonderful family, all right, by smashing that subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you watching this video right now. Go ahead and smash that subscription button. But hey, after you must have smashed that subscription button, there is this bell icon beside the subscription button. Yes, I want you to turn it on. What the bell icon does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome video just like this one you are watching. All right, now to my returning subscribers, I would want to use this opportunity to say welcome back to this channel. I want to appreciate you always coming back to this channel each time you get notified of a new video, and I want to tell you that I don't take you for granted. You're welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to take us through gift card stroke crypto arbitrage opportunity that is going to make you up to 10,000 to 20,000 naira or even more. All right, before jumping into this video, I want us to do the normal thing, which is the tradition. Okay, I want you to use 3 seconds of your time, okay, to boop the like button of this video to show appreciation. Yes, go ahead and smash that like button to show appreciation of the value you are going to get in today's video, because I'm very sure you are going to get a whole lot of value in today's video. So go ahead, as I'm counting, smash that like button to show appreciation of the value you are going to get in today's video. So let's go, guys. Now the first platform we are going to use in today's arbitrage is called moogold. Okay, moogold, and this platform is where we are going to be buying the gift card which we are going to use in today's arbitrage. All right, now the first thing I would want you to do once you come across this interface is to change your currency over here. Okay, change your currency to your local currency, remove it from this USD to local currency. But if you are in Nigeria, you can as well leave the USD. All right, now the second thing I want you to do once you are in this moogold platform is to check the rate which they are selling their gift card. All right, check the rate. That is the first step I would want you to do. All right, to know if the rate is profitable or not before you can be able to proceed buying any single gift card. So you are going to click over here. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on mobile recharge. Okay, let's click on mobile recharge. Now what I would want you to do is to click over here to select your country, and inside this box to type in your phone number. So I'm going to select my country. Now, as you can see over here, you can see the United States, United Kingdom, Afghanistan, and a whole lot of them. Just scroll down and look for your country. So right inside this box, you are going to type in your phone number. And the next thing I would want you to do after typing in your phone number is to click over here that says verify. Okay, right over here that says verify. So let's go, guys. The next thing you are going to see after clicking on verify is select operator. As you can see it over here. Okay, now I've chosen MTN as my operator. So over here is where we are going to check the rates which this platform is selling their gift card. Okay, so I'm going to type in some amount of money inside this box. Let's say 420. Okay, let me check. Okay, it's not up to $1. Let me check 435. Okay, now as you can see, guys, for 435 naira you can get 1 USD in this platform. Okay, as you can see over here, 435 naira is equals to 1 USD, which shows that this rate is profitable. That is the first step I want you to do, to check the rate and know if it is profitable before you can be able to proceed and buying any gift card in this platform. So now we've known their rate, which is 435 naira per dollar. Okay, now we're going to proceed in buying gift card in order to engage in this arbitrage. Let's go, guys. Now coming down to the main menu, you are going to scroll down, but as you're scrolling down you won't find a particular gift card which we would want to use in today's arbitrage. So the next thing I want you to do is to click here the search button. All right, so type in the name of the gift card we are looking for so we can be able to buy it. Now, what's the name of the gift card we want to buy for this arbitrage? The name is Steam. Okay, Steam gift card. So we are going to click on search to find Steam gift card. As you can see over here, there are a whole lot of Steam gift card. Now the next thing we are going to look out for is the country. Okay, is the country. Now where we are going to be looking at is right inside here. Okay, to see the one that is bearing USD. Okay, so that's what we are going to look out for. So we'll have to scroll down. So this is the one we are going to be buying. Okay, let's go, guys. So click on select option. $100 is the maximum they are selling here, but we can actually increase the amount by selecting here. Okay, because this is one, so we are going to change it to, let's say, 3. Okay, so let's say we are going to get like 300 USD. Okay, let's proceed. So once you click on buy now, you are going to fill in your first name, your last name, your country, your state, then as well your email address right inside this box. Okay, now I'm proceeding to mode of payment. As you can see over here, this platform you can be able to pay using credit card, debit card, Binance Pay. We can still use Remitano, you can still use USDT. All right, now, but I will advise you make use of your debit card. All right, now Naira debit card can work in this platform, but one thing with Naira debit card is that it does not work regularly, and most of them has limits. Okay, so what I would want you to do is to create a virtual card. Okay, yes, create a virtual card. That is what I make use of most times. So I advise you create a virtual card, because with virtual card you do not have limits. You can buy as many as you want, unlike Naira debit card. All right, so let's proceed to where we are going to sell this gift card and see if we are going to make profits or not. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to give you bonus tip that is going to help you to make more money doing this arbitrage. So stay tuned, guys. Coming to selling your gift card, coincola is one of the best platform I can recommend for you to sell your gift card. All right, coincola is one of the best platforms. So the next thing I want you to do is to click over here. Okay, click over here, and I would want you to click here that says buy Bitcoin with gift card. So we are going to be buying Bitcoin in coincola using our gift card. Okay, so let's click over there. Now once you click over there, this is the interface you are going to see. Okay, now the next thing I want you to do is to leave this as USD. Okay, because the gift card we bought is in USD, so we are going to leave it in USD. So this one over here, we are going to leave it in BTC. Okay, because we're going to buy Bitcoin using our gift card. Now the next thing I want you to do is to click over here and select the gift card which you would want to sell. Okay, let's go, guys. So you are going to scroll up to search for Steam gift card, but if you cannot see it over here, I think you just have to type it here to make it easy. Okay, Steam gift card. So you click on Steam gift card. Now over here are the merchants that are selling Steam gift card. So the first thing I would want you to do, and I will advise you when it comes to selling your gift card, is preferable to choose the first merchant, because the first merchant is going to give you the best rate. Okay, the best rate. Now the next thing you are going to look out for when selecting merchant is you are going to look at the number of likes they have. You are going to look at to the number of trades they have, and also trust percentage which any merchant have before you can proceed choosing a particular merchant to sell your gift card. Okay, now the next thing again, you are going to look out for the rates which they are selling. Okay, now this person is selling from $10 to $100. Okay, that is the next thing you are going to do. If not, you are going to be wasting your time. And this second person is selling from $10 to $20. This person is selling from $50 to $300. So you are going to choose the merchant that is selling at your rate or the amount you want to sell. Okay, let's go, guys. So over here we're going to make use of this merchant over here, because we are going to be selling gift card worth of 300 USD. Okay, so this person is selling from $10 to $500. All right, now the next thing I want us to do is to click over here that says buy. Let's go, guys. Now once you must have clicked on buy, like I said earlier, towards the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus tip which is going to help you to make a lot of money in this arbitrage. All right, now this is where I'm going to give you the bonus tip. All right, now before you proceed selling your gift card in order to buy BTC, I would want you to type in the amount you want to sell, which is 300. Okay, for 300 USD you are going to be getting this amount of Bitcoin over here. Okay, so before you proceed selling your gift card in order to get this BTC, I would want you to use this last platform to check if you are going to be making profits or you are going to be making loss. All right, so we are going to copy this BTC over here. Okay, you have to copy this BTC and move over to the second platform to check if you are going to be making profit. But before checking whether you are going to make profit, we are going to calculate and see how much our capital is before we are going to send this BTC over to the second platform and check if you are going to make profit or we're going to make loss. Don't worry, I'm going to explain better so you don't get confused. Let's go, guys. Now remember the rate which we bought this gift card was 335 naira per USD. All right, and we bought 300 USD worth of gift card, so we are going to multiply it by 300. So our capital is 130,500 naira. Okay, that is our capital, 130,500. So the next thing, we've known our capital now in our local currency, so the next thing we're going to do is to move over the Bitcoin which we bought using the gift card over to the last platform and see if we are going to be making profit or not. So let's go to the last platform. All right, guys, the last platform we are going to be making use of is Binance. Okay, so we are going to move to the trade, okay, by clicking over here which says trades. Click over there, and the next place we are going to click is here that says P2P. Okay, we're going to click here that says P2P to go to the P2P market. Now what we are going to be selling is BTC. Okay, so we're going to click here which is BTC and click over here which is sell. Okay, so we're going to choose a particular merchant to check if we're going to be making profits while selling this Bitcoin. Okay, let's go, guys. Before checking the amount, you have to click on filter, which is here. Click on filter to change the amount. Let's say 20,000. Click on confirm so we can filter merchandise selling from 20,000 and above. Okay, now remember the capital is 130,500, so we're going to choose, let's say, the first merchant, because the first merchant tends to sell in good rates. Let's click on sell. Then we're going to paste over here the Bitcoin, where the quantity of the Bitcoin we are going to be getting from coincola if we are to buy the Bitcoin using our gift card. So we're going to paste the Bitcoin right inside this box and see how much we'll be getting if we are to sell this Bitcoin to this particular merchant, and see if we're going to be making profit or we're going to be making loss. Let's go, guys. So we're going to paste the Bitcoin. So for the Bitcoin we are going to get in coincola, we are going to be making 182,835 naira. Remember our capital is 130,000, so you are going to minus and see how much we are going to be making for this trade. Remember how much we are going to be getting if I to sell this Bitcoin is this amount, 182,000 naira. So let's see how much we'll be making. 182. Let's go, guys. For 182,000, you're going to minus our capital, which is 130,500. We are going to be making a whooping 51,500 naira, which shows that this arbitrage is really profitable. All right, this arbitrage is really profitable. So I would want you to jump into this arbitrage, make most profit for yourself. All right, now as you can see this video right now on the screen, if you want to know more method you can be able to make money online, like a simple method you are going to use to make a whole lot of money online, then I would recommend you click this video that you are seeing right now on the screen, and I will surely see you there. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys.